Hey guys, what's up? Another weekly video, and this time it's a disaster. If you're new to this channel, you might want to consider subscribing, ring the notification bell so you can get notified for each time there's a new video. So the disaster is basically doing a 180, landing with your bike split on the coping and hopping back in. You want to approach the ramp with enough speed to catch some air to like pop out. As soon as your front wheel hits the coping and it lifts off, you spin your head and your shoulders towards the direction you want to turn, and you do that while you keep your weight shifted forward a little bit, slightly towards the bars. So you spin the full 180 and you want to land with your back wheel on the deck and your front wheel still in the transition. As you land, you're gonna want to bend your knees and compress the legs because that's what you're gonna need to hop back in. To go back in, you're gonna release the energy stored in your legs, and you want to lift up your back wheel, so you want to hop off the deck. And while doing so, you press your bars forward, and because your weight is already shifted forward, you're just gonna hop back into the ramp. Basically, that's all there is to say about the disaster. It's not a very hard trick. It's a very common, basic beginner's ramp riding trick. Thank you guys for watching. If there's a trick you guys want to learn, tell me in the comments down below, and I hope to see you guys next week. See ya. Oh yeah, and please remember to give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel.